Mayor Eileen.
Pasensya na kayo, naiuso ko kayo ng kampo.
No.
Ayaw sa PLM sa problem. Kayo, talaga.
Kaya pwede ako mag-send
Oh, pwede lang. Oh.
Kasi yung ano ko, klase ni Drake.
Talaga? Oo. Mas good sa
Klase
sa
ni Drake.
I will join you. MC Dax, kaklase ko sa conference. And I join you as well.
Yeah. Let's below that.
1, 2, 3. One more. In my camera. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Mali kayo.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yes, go.
How many movies did you?
In my younger years.
Family thoughts.
But I'm more on the television. Drama. Series. At the time, in the 90s.
Also part of a singing group.
That I cannot see. That I cannot see. I wanted to see, but music doesn't like it. So how are you?
I'm good. I'm Indonesian actually. Yeah.
I know, we run the same blood.
Yeah.
We are all Marais, Indons. At the end of the day. That's why when you see an Indonesian, you don't look like a foreigner. You would assume Filipino. They're Filipino.
They speak to us in Tagalog. Yeah.
How's he doing?
Oh yeah.
He retired already.
But his son is vice president is doing.
Vice President?
Vice president is yes.
Talaga?
Yes.
So, he has high trust in Indonesia.
I kind of.
Because I remember vividly, there is one incident that struck me, and I think that that's the type of kind or the type of leadership that we need in the near future, of a particular situation. When foreign vessels are coming in Indonesia, unauthorized, we went to this place and start confiscating all those vehicles of ship and showing to the world. That's why, from time to time, it reminds me of things that we come. Kamusta tayo sa ASEAN?
Yeah.
Maybe we want to discuss.
Yeah, we want to explain that this year, Philippines is chairman of ASEAN. And one of the activities is the AGMF, ASEAN Governors and Mayors Forum, tapos meron pang MGMAC. Yeah. So it's an association of all governors and mayors of capital cities. So since Manila is the capital city, we hope that you will extend the honor of chairing that meeting and hosting the meeting.
Both meetings.
Yeah.
When?
The tentative schedule, we will clear with you. Mga August.
August or early September.
Done.
Oh, really? That's great. That's the first.
Oh, this is our vice mayor.
Yay.
I'm supposed to meet you there.
Yes.
But at that time, just assume office and a lot of things. That's why I sent the vice mayor.
She was popular as
Most beautiful vice mayor.
Yes, everybody wanted to take a picture. Could have been the most
So dito yun, dito tayo sa Manila.
Manila.
Host it. What do you suggest? Manila Hotel? Diamond Hotel?
1,000 packs daw.
1,000 is
1,000
okay.
packs yung
Yung
mayors?
guest. This is target.
Yes.
Target. This is
Target.
But,
What do you think? What do you suggest?
The formal will be for 2 days.
Plus one.
Plus 1 day of technical visits. They are interested to look at the hospital, Manila Zoo, and any place you would suggest as well.
You show them the
That's
housing.
the housing. Yes, the housing.
You show them the MBN.
Yes.
The minimum basic needs. It's the policy of the city to address the minimum basic needs. Housing, education, healthcare, and jobs. And by the time, we are now constructing the Pamantasan Luzon ng Manila College of Medicine beside the new hospital. By the time, because we're gonna groundbreak in the coming weeks. So, at least we can showcase also from the hospital. Katabi is college school. College school. Ikaw school part, malapit pa. So when we said we host, we spend.
Yes. But
No, I'm
we
happy
didn't do a
to
question.
help the country in this direction, hosting this. It's a great honor for the city of Manila. Sige, you decide where. I think Manila Hotel is a good showcase of an old hotel, but very historic. MacArthur. It used to be the office of MacArthur. And a house of MacArthur. Not as a house, but he stayed there as a hotel and a regular guest. In the early times.
Very nice.
The 1900s. Very nice hotel. It's kind of old, but it's very historic. And of course, it's Manila Hotel. But we don't know it. It's easy to find. Oh, there's better hotel. You go to Shangri-La, you go to Hyatt in the CBD area. But there is no soul. There is no story. It's just a beautiful hotel. But in this case,
Manila Hotel is so good because near Intramuros. We walked this morning to Intramuros.
Yeah.
We stayed in Manila.
She was asking about the forest.
this is it.
Fortress to
Oh,
forest.
wow.
The first copy was sent to the president. This is my dream in Intramuros.
That's your plan for the.
That's the master plan. But I don't know if we can do it because it's not ours. But we are ready to pay for it if it's given to us.
That is the most important part. You need to pay for it.
Yeah, that's our member.
You know, this used to be nothing. It became a World Heritage because of what they did. And this is just 4.5 hectares. And I have 30 plus hectares. Can you imagine what we can do for our great grandchildren? Well, it's up to
Then
the president.
we can put the theater investor
Oh, sorry.
and to put the cultural center in this area.
We are from United Cities and local governments. It's not United Nations, but United Cities and local governments. And it's represent Asia Pacific as a group. And he is the governor, as the president of Lucid Jasper as well. And we connect with 240,000 local in 144 countries. So we can collaborate with so many
You know those caddies
countries.
who are will have a permanent employment. Of course, we have to maintain 30 hectares of open green space. The golfer are telling the caddies, you will lose your jobs. No, it's the other way around. Exactly. It's the other way around. You will have a permanent job. So you have to maintain this. They're making some noise. But no, this is we need to maintain this.
If you manage to get this course, agree to be transferred to Pakistan.
Only it's up to the president
So,
because the golf course is under the direct supervision of TIESA. And TIESA is under the office of DOT. And DOT is under the office of the president.
we cannot do it.
Good try.
I just want to show you. The concept is, this is historical. The fortress to forest. Why? In the beginning of this country, Intramuros is our fortress to defend our sovereignty, or even the occupiers of the land, which is the Spanish side. The center of defense. To forest will be our center for defense in environmental.
It's very good vision there. It's really very good.
Yeah,
But
forest to
this also
fortress.
bring economy, bring
Yes.
environment protection, also bring a job on the people. It's really good.
And I'll show you some. This is now the master plan. I'll
And
show you
know,
how.
some of the cities managed to do this already.
Yes, it's not
A
even
lot
a
of
rocket
good
science.
example. Yes.
Look. Can you imagine that can be in a city?
So you don't need to go far away to find a
Yes,
forest. You can go
yes.
here.
And the value added part of it is that the property owners within radius naturally
High
appreciate.
price.
Oh.
High price. You already know that.
Maybe the one who's playing golf also. May ASEAN garden dito eh. May
Yes,
ASEAN garden.
yes.
Yeah.
There.
We will dedicate a garden for ASEAN.
You can have it open during the.
That I don't know. It's really up to
convince the president.
we need approval. Eh. I am willing to pay money for this for
And
the
we
next
can-
generation.
And we can have a participatory design for public space. We did it already in several places. Oh, I want to live here next time. If this realize, they live here.
And as we speak, the DED is being designed, despite without the approval.
You already have a design, yeah,
This is the master plan. The technical aspect is being done.
yes. You can do step by step.
See?
Impressive.
That's your Manila hotel.
Oh. Wow. Impressive.
The sinking during daytime,
Yes.
during people can walk. In rain season or monsoon, it can be a pool of flood. Yeah. We pump out all the water in Loton, going here, and during dry season or rain stops, we put it back to and towards Manila Bay.
One thing, another function you can think of is evacuation, because you have a lot of associations and evacuation.
This is the entrance to the office. More Filipino,
I
more
think I've been
Asian.
here.
That's the wall. See this, no? See, this is during dry season. During rainy season, this is going to be like that.
Submerged.
Oh, submerged.
Yeah, it's like a reservoir.
Reservoir. So the flooding of Manila, especially Ermita Malate area, will be resolved.
It's very good, Mayor. You should make it happen.
We're just waiting for, yeah, I'm pushing it. Despite of some wealthy individuals who are against it because they want to play golf.
So you talk to one guy. And Mayor, there also one case in Seoul that changed. They removed the flyover and bring back the river. They made 6,000 meetings with the people. 6,000 there.
I saw in John.
Yes.
You know in John?
Yes.
Wow.
Did you go to Chogejan?
No.
Chogejan River Street?
The river city.
Yes. Chogejan.
I saw that river
Behind the
bank.
city hall.
That's what we did. That's what they did in Houston, Texas. The river walk. It's the same concept that they adopted in John. River walk.
A lot of inspiration.
Tomorrow I'm going to Singapore to study again food security for future in highly urbanized setting.
Oh, very good. Let's make things
I
happen.
want you to. Actually, this is the marsh for the birds migratory. But I just.
Oh, you can
Yeah.
have also bird watching
Yes,
tourism. You can
yes.
support ecotourism as
Yes,
well.
yes.
Yeah. Very good. It's
See?
really sustainability. You bring the forest back to the city.
And I'll show you the students, where students, because I'm hosting about a little less than 10 schools around it,
Yes.
universities
Oh.
around it.
Yeah, there's a university guys.
Here on this side and the other side.
Yes, yes, yes.
So in between. So the students now can have a time of their life. Amphitheater for activities.
Lovely.
Kaya nga eh,
Yeah.
hindi ko maintindihan.
By night,
This is now cultural and passion activities during the night that you can
That's
host.
what we were saying. We can have an
See?
investor.
We can have you find investor on this. If the land already prepared.
Yeah.
Because the land is not prepared.
Yeah. So the
Ay,
Chinese
alam mo,
investor.
dali mo sila sa ano. During my first term, I reclaimed properties supposed to be sold. I stopped it and rearranged things. This is what you call Arrocero spot. Just across the street. Pwede mo
Across the-
Total, she likes walking.
I walk six
You
hours.
won't even feel that you are in the city. We created pathways, proper lighting, proper arrangement, and it's forest.
Did you put the before and after so people can imagine before like this and after like this?
Before nobody comes in.
No, I mean.
Yeah, because so they are kind of reference. It was not publicly made available. During my time, I made it public. Now it connected this canal, the one that the first lady built, and President reconnected.
Very nice. You know, in South Korea, there is island that was nothing, and they made a film, and now become one of the top tourism destination. It
The
was
kids.
nothing. It was nothing.
Forest and the kids.
Wow.
It's very creative.
Yeah, they are.
Doing a lot of groundbreaking also that will be very
Interacting
trailblazing.
without touching anything, but it's interact. Yung tawag na interaction sa bata.
Yeah.
You gave a good spaces for the people, back to the people, not only the area. This is also in Intramuros.
Yeah, the wall.
So
Everything
this
is outside the wall.
So this is a golf course.
Golf course.
The whole entire is golf course.
In front of your hotel now.
Make it happen. So we need to.
It's not even a world standard golf course. It's just a short course.
Right.
It's not even a very good golf course.
The decision is of your president, Mayor.
Only people in government playing that golf course.
I only tried it once.
Oh, see? Yeah.
About 10 years ago.
But if you're a golfer, you won't play there. You spend...
Mayor, this is also a big priority for us. I'm not Brazilian.
Can you imagine you're in the golf course? And we created a canal. A canal of floods that can, address. See? These are rainwaters. Touch basin.
Catchment area.
Catchment area.
Catchment area. Yes. Wow. Very, very interesting. We need healing gardens. This is for healing, yeah.
The elders, for our elders. Kids. So that's why then we created a sports without vertical development. A sports activity center without building vertically.
Yeah.
Horizontal sports activity. Pickleball, tennis court, open green space for the students and the kids. And I retain their goal, the mini goal.
As a museum. As a museum. Only mini goals.
Nagdadamot nila sa taong bayan natin.
Saan?
Talaga, sa
You will Actually,
This is now the wall during the night.
This is something again.
Yeah.
See that open green space? The effects to it, emotionally, psychologically, economically.
At least you can use it as one of the tourist destinations at night. Because we know the company when to create this entertainment.
Imagine you're now check-in in Manila Hotel. And you're gonna ask somebody, where should I go? Don't go anywhere, ma'am. Just cross the street. Go to Forest Park. You will have the whole day and night.
Let's do something for the legacy.
I offered it to the president.
Yes, yes. You already discussed this with the president.
Yeah, the first copy of it is with the president. See, you see, I depicted ordinary people.
I walked-
Because it's for everyone. The rich, the middle class, and the poor will have a common space.
You call it inclusive city, Mayor, or humanitarian city. It's very good. Wow. Very impressive, Mayor. So this is
The wall.
This is on the wall, and the golf course is.
This one. That's Pasig River. Yeah,
That's
that's a
very
gold.
big.
Yeah. Very big.
And you know, I saw they have to cross the street in order to go the other side.
Oh, see?
So it's not very convenient.
And the use for the pedestrian. And when you're inside,
But I have a question here because we need to think also from their side, you know, what the benefits they can also gain from this place. When you transform this golf course into a public space, they might lose a place for the golf, right? So anything else beyond that against the idea?
and our caddies, the one who's working in the golf course, will have now permanent employment.
How many are there?
A little 100 plus.
That's good.
And you need thousands. Thousands of people who manages the clients and the units.
So the answer is not with the president. That's the labor.
That's the main one. If we have use of crop, the next thing that problem is money. And that you can
Money you can.
always find money. That I believe.
I think so.
Fortress to forest. Manila
Will be the
News.
name this area.
Intermulus Forest Park.
Realize it.
I'm happy that you're interested.
Yeah, this is good. As long everything for the people. This is our mission and vision because like Manila is already our member.
Yes. Thank you for being a member.
And he is a president of Lucia Jaspa. We connect with 100 countries. I think the first thing that should be done is to get
Of the president.
president to transform this.
This on
And
January 20.
January 20.
We are going to groundbreak another open green space in the middle of the street with our partner MMDA. Pet Park and Senior Citizens
Where
Park.
is this? Where is this?
There is a skyway
Yeah.
above it, and it created the back space. Now, puro alikabok and everything. People of Pandacan is suffering. So, when I assumed office last year, I talked to MMDA and designed this, and now we are going to groundbreak. This is the situation. This is for, I think this will be the first in the Philippines, pet park
Pet Park.
and senior citizen park, dedicated to both of them.
And this is a great
In the middle of the main highway, Quirino, Natahan, created vacuum.
Yeah, dun sa
You know,
gitna.
yung alikabok. Yung talok sa English, that's the people of Pandacan is suffering with all the alikabok. That's how it is now.
So on the budget, it will come all
It's all going to be built.
Yeah, all from the city.
So do
And MMDA.
And MMDA.
you know during the IGMS, because there will be a lot of governors and things, anything that we can put it as legacy, anything in your mind that we can also
I will find it.
celebrate it?
Don't worry, we are leaders of pure of imagination.
Not only imagine not only
I
imagine
mean,
but you make it
full of imagination.
but you implement this. Not only imagine.
I don't imagine,
but you
I do. Well, sometimes the only challenge is that we need to work hand in hand with the national government.
That's very important.
But maybe we can help with this because he has ASEAN Park.
Yeah.
So maybe we can help him lobby.
Yes, yes.
Maybe we can set a target for the ASEAN Park to be launched in August. So we'll rush the president to approve it.
But it's not, but it's, I think that includes
Yes, it's a small portion of it.
I can get the support.
I will share with you.
I will give you my card. I'm not giving you my We still
Yorme, she's the one fixing that.
Elephant, because your elephant died a couple of years ago, so I know that Sue is important.
And we made it bigger. During my first term, I redesigned everything. The zoo, just across the school, and then across this hospital. And it's a very competitive zoo. I think we are more than competitive than Singapore Zoo. This is that we lack of animals as a matter of attraction, and particularly elephants.
We actually,
Hopefully you can help us acquire through what you call the loaning. They call it in an animal, there's a universal term for it. You don't buy, you take loan.
Like panda.
You just pay for the transport and everything.
actually for loan of any it's done by the central government to central government.
No.
Central government of Malaysia.
Yeah, you already talked to them, right?
And we already sent all the papers.
All the letters.
We're willing to pay for the trade
Yes, I know.
management. We're willing. Just
I
for our
think
kids.
that will be good, like male and female.
Yes,
Not just one.
because for purposes of imagination and visual. Let's just say you used to have 100 square meter. Now it's 500 square meter. That's how it's 400% growth in terms of space. Normally, but through old age. This is my age. 50 plus. 57. I'm 52 this year.
Which month?
October, United Nations. The world celebrates my birthday. My mom cannot afford to celebrate my birthday, but the world will spend for it. United Nations. The school celebrates my birthday. They were Miss USA, Miss Indonesia. It's United Nations.
You have a very good imagination and also you act and you do that. So for the NGMF, you have any expectation because we normally come up with Malaysia and also with legacy, something that also tangible and also visit. So it's something that give a legacy to the city, but also to the people, not just a gathering of the people, no. Not gathering just a mayor or vice mayor or governors, but really make something you will then get. So because this is the largest international forum in the entire ASEAN for local governments. And we got accreditation from ASEAN as an affiliated entity under ASEAN governance.
I will come up with a sort of saying, I will love you.
This is the one that we did last time.
Last time.
You know, 9,000 people. But we don't need to be
Picture
This is
that.
also big. I'm expecting your opinion.
I think he's doing it. I think he's doing it.
So it's very, very big event. And we also have an offer from Kuala Lumpur. So we mix big gathering. And this is the result was also submitted to the ASEAN. So we have a foundation. We have a tree plantation.
Say it to me.
In the news.
Ano?
We also have a celebration that is achieved as well.
I think
Okay, magawa ka na sa
And this is
activity.
the handover from KL to, this is Mayor of KL at that time, and it was,
Magtayo tayo ng ano? Ilan ba ang member natin sa ASEAN? Staggery? Staggery.
11 countries now.
Oh. There is a historical park here, just across the building, what you call Mehan Garden. It's a secluded park. We can put plant trees there, 11 trees.
11 trees, one per
ASEAN
time.
trees.
Yes. Did you see the one here, what we did?
11 trees in Mehan Garden. It's protected. It's gonna grow. It's gonna remind us that once in the history of the city of Manila, the ASEAN leaders and mayors, local government went to.
Yes.
Pero may bakante ako.
Yes.
Last time
how
we came
about
here.
Mehan Garden is a park.
artwork? Do you want to give art piece or a sculpture?
In Vientiane,
Can you donate to the
they
park?
put the musical instruments of each ASEAN country. But of course it's up to
And the good thing about it is, I made it as extension of the one university owned by the local, UDN. That's their park. So it's a secluded area, historical, Mehan Garden. During my first term, I allowed students to do it. You know, this.
Wow, we got a lot of ideas from here.
During the forum.
Really, that's really. I really enjoyed and also about the team layer because we are aligned with the Championship of Philippines.
And make this a
And we also prepare MOU draft that we need to sign, but we cannot do it today because we are not seeing the draft.
Yeah.
So basically, we need to agree on the
Yeah.
dates and also number of people we have to host have, and then the cost sharing. We will cover some.
Sige,
Also has to cover some, but again, it's
You'll hear from me by next year.
Yes.
Immediately.
But make sure that the President of the Philippines can come.
Yeah.
Yeah. No problem.
Certain expectations.
So itong mayor sa to, activities na natin, cost na natin, operation natin.
Yes.
That we try the best.
Yes.
Sige. So, bahala ka na kung
Well,
magko-coordinate kami sa'yo.
sige na. Pero imbitahan natin ng presidente.
Definitely. Sige.
So we can assign after you leave next week, yeah?
Lagi na kami coordinate kay Congressman.
Siya ang nangingin. Center.
For the number of participants, how many are you expecting, including domestic participants?
On our side, it's easy. We can cut down, we can escalate.
Yes.
What we're after is how are we going to accommodate as many as we can
Yes.
with regard to our guests. I'm more after how many
Yes.
on our side is.
Normally for the host, we are expecting to cover the venue and also like accommodation for some. We will cover all and also transportation, pick-up service and meeting package and culture show, dinner. We also have a LMP and Ulam as a member as well. I will meeting them. Maybe they can share some costs, but again up to
to share past experiences and data and visuals that they have, so that we can I can incorporate and come up with a presentation that I can.
ASEAN just released the ASEAN Community Vision. It's a strategic vision of the vision of ASEAN 2045. So we will launch this localization of ACP 2045 during this year. It's going to be really remarkable because when we look at this ASEAN vision of 2045, most of them must be done at the local level. That's very important. How to improve economic of ASEAN, how to also bring ASEAN culture. This is a big document, but I will leave it to you. If you have time to read.
No, I like to read. Okay.
So,
Okay, ito. Kung may matututunan tayo sa kanya.
like a simple action can be done to bring ASEAN as a community, one community. For example, during ASEAN celebration in August, you can have ASEAN celebration in public schools. There's a very simple action actually that can be done by all the mayors and governors because you have a lot of public schools. In August,
Who's now the president of the organization?
Of
UCLG ASPAC is
Yung
head.
United Cities and
Yeah. He got re-elected.
Good. Ayos.
Yes.
Very good. You got a good guy.
You want to run for another?
No.
No. Asia Pacific on the world.
Ah.
On the world.
Natatapos na ako. Pero Asia Pacific ako. Ang isang open ngayon is world.
World. But submission must be done. It's really pure election. It's really
Pero
election.
yun, pabiyahe ka ng sa Barcelona. Kasi ito,
Okay na ako sa Manila.
Asia
Sa
Pacific.
biyahe na ako sa Tondo. San Andres.
I can go with you.
Or maybe as a co-president.
I can represent you. Goodbye for 2 years.
So may Asia Pacific, may world.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we have election in Morocco, Mayor.
Morocco.
Yes.
Yeah.
In Tangier in June.
Wow. They have Morocco produces one of the most special essential oil,
Yes.
The argan.
the argan oil. One of the most beautiful oil for cosmetics. The argan oil.
You know.
Yeah, very.
He knows everything.
No.
I mean, he likes to study.
I like
So,
reading.
he likes to
And
read.
tomorrow I'm going to Singapore to study. I think although it's ahead of its time, but it has to be addressed for what you call the food security. Earth will never grow bigger, but population will continue. I think everybody knows. But in the case of highly urbanized cities, space is something that will continue to be scarcity of space. And naturally, the next generation will have much problem in accessing basic food because of lack of space. I think food security approach in a highly urbanized setting can be done, which Singapore is doing. They are really ahead of this time. It has to. So you're not always waiting for the imports to come and all that. It takes you produce your own. If everyone is producing it, they don't have to import it. Because one of the big lessons of pandemic is that our country is importing X products. But there was a situation in 2019 November. It was not publicly informed, but we had a problem on importing rice because the country, which I will never mention, providing access to rice to the Philippines. It also needed their rice for future reference because of uncertainty of pandemic, which I cannot bring that. They halted, I think, 2 weeks. That will create trouble. What happened if everybody needs it? And we don't produce it anymore enough. What about other? So that's
urban farming, yeah. Urban farming, yes.
that's they produce their own fish ready, vegetables, high value crop in a highly urbanized setting. That's where I'm going to. I'm going to be with BPI. I asked BPI to join us for Bureau of Plants and Industry. That's for the future.
Three things, mayors, that are important for the future is food, energy, and water. And we people are going to fight for those three. So
I think one of those is being fight.
yes.
I mean, it's being challenged already in some hemisphere.
Yes, already.
Already.
Especially with energy. But food, another thing I also happened to meet the doctor just now.
Dr. Relikwanan.
Ah, that was it.
Yeah, I don't know, maybe got face. He was talking about the sea ambulance.
Yeah, because we have access to sea.
We will try to find a partner and the local
Yeah.
governments to help you with this because during AGMM we can have a lot of signatures like this, you know, MOU signing, you know, with all kind of.
Hopefully, Malaysia will help us with or the elephant.
Yeah, elephant. Yes. Elephant we will push for that. We will remind them because we already wrote to them. And I met the minister in charge of local government.
That's
He
gonna
even
bring-
agreed to have two.
It's gonna bring joy to our kids in the next year.
Yes.
They miss Mali.
Oh, the name is Mali.
Mali.
It's a main guy.
Yeah.
It's Mali.
Mali.
Then it can be a ASEAN friendship.
Yes.
Then we can have it with ASEAN.
I can find the name
Yeah.
so that the people will remind it's ASEAN.
What are those names?
This woman, ASEAN.
Asiano?
Oh,
Okay.
it is ASEANO.
Asiano and Asiana.
Oh, because it's a name also.
Asiana and Asiano. That's very nice names.
Now, why is it ASEANO? Oh, because during the course that the city of Manila hosted the ASEAN community opted to heed to the call of the city of Manila, the people of Manila. And that's why it's called ASEANO and ASEANO. Why not? Because I was planning to name it, one is Mali, the other one is Posang. In street language, Mali, when you reverse it, it's lima. It's 5. Posang, in street language, when you convert it, it's 10. 10 is 10. Because it's 2 Mali. It becomes Posang.
You named that elephant?
No, I was supposed to, but now if
Asiana and
Asiana, I will name it Asiana and Asiano. And it speaks
Make
of
sure-
our language.
Make sure they have a baby, sir.
And Asiana is a distinction, it's a distinction word.
Asiana.
We are Asiana, the girls. We are Asiano, the men.
Yes.
It's in our alphabet, in our language. It's a normal word for us that we learn in Araling Panlipunan or social studies in our elementary. Ang mga Asiano. Ang mga Asiano. It's our, part of our curriculum.
That's how ASEAN community can be one. Yeah.
It's significant.
Because we need just to push more and more because sometimes we don't just put it on the desk, but we come back with the good news.
A beautiful Asiano. I will be happy to
And
host.
it's Asiano.
I'm honored to host it. I think the people of Manila will be proud hosting it.
And
I'm very excited.
any other expectation there? So 1,000 you agree?
Yeah.
1,000.
We'll update you soon, immediately, gonna have a meeting. We're gonna coordinate with our local leadership and go to you and resign.
Mayor, can we have a short video with you?
20 pesos each. Belte. Eknel.
Can we favor here is
Oh, come here, come here. Sorry, my... It's a morning thing.
I think we need to decide
I will.
the next topic.
I will ask it now.
So that we can send out invitations.
Yung mga kasama niya, please.
It's
Halika, sumama kayo. Tuloy tayo. You join us. You give it to the other guys.
Please send us you guys record the video or meeting. Please send it to us.
You know that we still have, but during the times in 70s, 80s, batik is yes, batik is everywhere. I used to have a batik.
We have one for you. What color is it?
Oh, blue, white, red.
Blue, white,
Doing that,
short or long?
no, seriously. So that I will look like we go to.
We will get one for you. We will get one for you because red belongs to the Democratic Party. Blue belongs to the another party. So green belongs to Islam Party. Yellow another party. So
And then you get all the colors so that everybody will be well represented. Yes, I will. So you get all the colors so that everybody will feel.
But what is your color?
I'm white. White and blue. I'm always white and blue. But when you do me the batik, then you please include all the political colors.
That's going to be very difficult. Okay.
Smile, 1, 2, 1 more. 1, 2.